Ever wondered why the ground beneath us shakes? It's because beneath our feet, the Earth is always in motion. Picture our planet as a grand ballroom. The dancers, massive puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. These plates glide, crash, and slide past each other in a constant, intricate dance. But like any good dancers, sometimes they stumble. They get stuck. And when they finally break free, it's a round of applause that we feel as an earthquake. But sometimes these plates get stuck, and that's when things really start to shake. Imagine the Earth's crust as a rubber band. Stretch it and it stores energy. Release it and it snaps back. This is exactly what happens when tectonic plates push against each other. The rocks along the fault lines act like a pressure cooker, building up and storing tremendous energy over time. But every pressure cooker has a limit, and so do these rocks. When the pressure surpasses the rock's strength, the accumulated energy needs to escape. And how does it do that? It's simple. The rocks snap. This sudden release of energy triggers ground-shaking movements that we know as earthquakes. So when the pressure is too much to bear, the rocks snap, and we have an earthquake. The point where the rocks snap is the focus, the epicenter of the earthquake. This is where the real drama begins. As the pent-up energy is finally unleashed, it ripples out in waves from the focus, spreading across the Earth's crust. These are seismic waves, the invisible culprits behind the shaking we feel during an earthquake. Like ripples in a pond after a stone is tossed, they traverse far and wide. These seismic waves shake everything in their path, waking us up to the power of Mother Earth. Earthquakes come in different sizes, and we measure their intensity on the Richter scale. Picture this scale like a giant thermometer for seismic energy. A minor tremor barely registers at 1 or 2, often going unnoticed except by the keenest of instruments. As we climb up the scale, each increase by 1 point represents a 10-fold increase in the earthquake's amplitude and roughly 32 times more energy release. So, when you hear about a quake with a magnitude of 5 or 6, that's a serious shakeup. Now imagine the power of a quake reaching 9 or 10 on the Richter scale. It's an unimaginable force that can reshape landscapes. The bigger the quake, the more intense the shaking, and the more damage it can cause. So, the next time you feel the ground shake beneath your feet, remember what's really happening. Our planet is performing a cosmic tango as tectonic plates shift and collide. It's a dance of pressure and release, with seismic waves as the rhythm. And the Richter scale? That's our backstage pass, giving us insight into the intensity of the performance. It's not just random shaking, it's our planet stretching, releasing, and keeping things interesting. Until next time, stay curious,